Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to know this up front. You cannot natively install iOS on Samsung phones because of locked bootloaders and hardware differences. Once that's clear, pick a viable approach: emulation, an iOS-style launcher, or remote access to a real iPhone. Then get your tools. Connect your Samsung to a PC, confirm developer options and USB debugging, and make sure you have the iPhone or software ready. These preparatory steps save time and avoid wasted flashing attempts. Now proceed. Install a well-rated iOS launcher and matching icon pack, then immediately apply a home layout with a dock and swipe gestures. This gives the core look and navigation. If you need specific iOS apps, use browser or desktop emulators for testing, or consider cloud services that stream an iPhone screen. Configure default apps, lock screen widgets, and add a control center replacement to mimic quick toggles. Make sure to back up settings and note what differs from true iOS. To complete the experience, configure remote access to a real iPhone for features you cannot emulate. Install a trusted screen share app on both devices, sign into the same accounts, and test latency. Once done, optimize performance by lowering animations, disabling background syncs, and using wired networking when possible. If the launcher crashes or UI elements misbehave, clear app caches, reinstall the launcher, or, as a last resort, revert to your stock ROM. One key tip: keep a full backup before major changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.